So this is a restoration of a Catalina tile top table, and you can see the Catalina right there on the back of the tile. So this is in work, and the next photo will be when it's near done. So now I've sanded off the grout, cleaned it, scraped it, and I've re-glued it down. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll have to just grout it. Probably take me about 2 hours to let it dry. So here's the tile, the Catalina tile, reset back into the table, and in a few minutes I'm going to start doing the grouting. So I'm going to let the grout stay on here for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to use water from a bucket and a rag, and I'm going to go over the grout and remove the excess grout. So here it is after the grout is applied. I'm going to let it dry, then I'm going to sand the grout off of the edge of the wood, and then I'll clean up the tile a little better.